How many times have you heard about people purchasing homes without any money? If this is true, why isn't everyone doing it? And most importantly, what are these mysterious methods? Okay, the first method I think is pretty straightforward and simple, and that's to have family pitch in and help. Moms, dads, brothers, sisters, grandmas, grandpas, boyfriend, girlfriend. Believe it or not, is one of the most common ways for people to purchase their first homes. Mom or dad or somebody that loves you can co-sign on that loan and gift you some money for a down payment. The second method is a little bit more controversial, but big and small investors use it all the time. And the method that I'm talking about is subject to. In this method, you should be looking for distressed homeowners, likely behind on their mortgage payments and or possibly in dire need of major repairs that the homeowner cannot truly afford. This is actually a big reason why when you purchase a home, you should be in a strong financial position, even if you get a home for little or no money. One leaky roof, some busted old pipes, or major electrical issues can set you back a pretty penny. So if you're strapped for cash or lack the ability to obtain credit to fix some of those repairs, you can really find yourself in a desperate situation or position. I think they call this being house rich but cash poor. But what exactly is subject to? Subject to is when you secure a house subject to refinancing, or subject to repairs, or subject to, let's say, cash for keys. You can gain possession of a house subject to just about anything. For some people, this raises a question of ethics. But in most cases, you're doing the homeowner a favor. They're likely behind on their mortgage, likely in dire need of some repairs. They can't afford to keep the situation that they currently have going, and they're probably unable to sell it because they're so far upside down. These people are desperate to strengthen their financial situation, so walking away from their home for $5,000, $10,000, or $15,000 is worth it to them. These types of distressed buyers are likely not to be able to put their home on the market and get the value they need out of their home to make sense of a traditional sale. Are you a military veteran? Well, if you are, a VA loan or a CalVet loan may be your best option to secure a home with $0 out of pocket. So let's ask that question again. Can you purchase a house without any money? And the answer to that question is absolutely. But remember, cash is still king. And bringing some cash to the table is a sure way to help secure any investment. You see, getting a home with nothing out of pocket doesn't mean you're not going to have to put up any money. It doesn't mean that you're not going to potentially have to borrow money, because you're likely to purchase a home that is in dire need of some renovations. And guess what? You're going to need some money to fix that home up. It's also very likely that in order to get the current homeowner out of their home, it's a good possibility you will have to give them cash for keys and a deed. Bringing a little bit of capital to the deal can sweeten the pot just enough to make any deal appetizing. I'm Osias, and planning your next move is easy with the right people in your corner. All right, y'all, I'm out of here.